My dear colleagues, all of us know the entire world, including our country, is passing through a grave situation due to the spread of pandemic disease called COVID-19. In this exceptionally challenging time, it is very much important to prevent the spreading of COVID-19 inside the factory premises and also in and around the locality where we are all residing. It is our duty to behave responsibly and safeguard our colleagues and loved ones. In SLRM, with all our best efforts so far, we are successful in containing and controlling the spread of COVID-19 inside the factory premises. However, we should not be complacent or relax with the present achievement because COVID-19 is spreading very fast in the society. We are being the part of such society are vulnerable for carrying the infections unknowingly. The efforts put in by our safety department, OHC department and security department, including HRD department, are highly appreciable, who have taken front line in containing the spread of COVID-19 by means of strict preventive measures from the day one. My sincere appreciations also goes to entire SLRM employees and contact workmen for their devoted duties during the tough situation, which ensured momentum of the plant activities continued without any hindrances. The commitment and dedication continued during the capital shutdown also. Hence, we have almost completed majority of the works and hope to restart the plant soon. You all know that inside the factory, we have implemented many preventive measures to avoid spread of COVID-19. Few I can mention here. Regular hand sanitization and thermal screening of all employees and workmen in all shifts compulsorily. Use of disinfection tunnel by all employees and workmen when they enter the plant. Daily disinfection spraying of all office cabins, shop floors, transportations and goods, vehicles, etc. Time to time distribution of face masks, immune booster tablets, hand sanitizers, incorporating of face readers for attendance instead of thumb impressions, rescheduling of manpower to avoid crowding, COVID-19 task force and COVID-19 sergeants teams formations, COVID-19 awareness training to all employees and workmen, SOPs, guidelines and informations sharing to employees and associates and so on. In our country, the recovery rate of COVID-19 patients is more than 70%. Disease rate is 1.99%. In Karnataka, the same figures are about 54.3% and disease rate is 1.81%. Infection rate is 8.89%. In this difficult situation where there is no specific treatment available for COVID-19 so far, the only way to come out of this pandemic is self-discipline by following all the MHA guidelines and our company guidelines. My appeal to all of you is not to become panic. COVID-19 can be defeated by strictly following the aspects mentioned below. Number 1, compulsory using face mask in all activities of our life as we wear our clothing. Frequently washing of hands or using hand sanitizers. Maintaining physical distance of 2 meters wherever possible, but at least 1 meter. Not traveling until and unless it is so urgent or emergency. Avoiding get-togethers like marriages, birthdays, anniversaries, any other parties. Take care of senior people in your house who are more than 60 years old and children below 10 years. Avoiding unauthenticated message of electronic media which may not be true. Do exercise, yoga and pranayama every day to keep you calm and cool. I may fail in my duty if I don't express my gratitude and do not praise this humanly services being rendered by all doctors, nurses, police officers, ASHA and Anganwadi, Karnataka municipal employees, COVID-19 volunteers, district and state central administrations also, who are working every day hard, day and night to keep us protected. Though they knew the risk of infection, but still they are providing services to all of us, which is unforgettable. We at SLRM are deeply committed to follow all essential precautions inside the factory premises. At the same time, management expects appeal to all employees and workers to adopt this with same spirit till the pandemic is defeated. Together we can defeat COVID with some slogans like one mask, many lives, दो गज दूरी, कोरोना से दूरी, हाथ धोया, कोरोना हटाया. Wishing all the healthy and safe days ahead. Thank you all. Oh, I am going to wear my mask again.